Now let's look at ACS Study Guide Part 3 at acid and base problems. So you have a series of equations you need to know. pH equals negative log of H. Yeah, it's supposed to be H. Concentration of H times concentration of H is equal to 10 to the negative 14. And that pH plus pOH equals 14. So let's check out some of these problems. Okay, that's a simple one. So we need to calculate H3O plus concentration from each of the following solutions. Nice to know that H3O plus is the same thing as H plus. And the square brackets mean it's molar concentration. So as we see in this case, we're given pHs. And so pH equals negative log of H. And H is equal to 10 to the negative pH. So in this case, H concentration is equal to 10 to the negative 1.56. And that's correct. Let's go to the next problem, problem 15. Calculate pH of the following solutions. So in this case, using the formula pH equals negative log of H plus. And so if we go here, see if I can have this calculated for me. Negative log of 9.4 times 10 to the negative 10. Sometimes this will calculate it for me, maybe it will, maybe it will not. So that's my solution. Correct. See, it's nice to use it as a calculator at the Master in Chemistry. Calculate OH minus given H plus in each of the following solutions. Aqueous solutions. So in this case, if we have H plus concentration equals that much, what's the OH? Well, H plus concentration times the OH concentration equals 10 to the negative 14. So therefore, OH concentration is equal to 10 to the 14 divided by H concentration, which is 2.8 times 10 to the negative 3. That'll be my answer. So let's see. So we're doing this divided by our solution. So let's see. 10 to the negative 14 divided by 2.8 times 10 to the negative 3. And that's correct. Similar story, just finding OH minus from H plus, times OH minus is equal to 10 to the negative 14. You have to rearrange this, or solve for x, however you like to do it. This is understanding of the pH scale. Gotta realize that pH scale, 14 is basic, 7 is neutral, and 0 is acidic. That's basic, neutral, acidic. If it's 3.5, it falls somewhere on here. It must be acidic. Acidic it is. Calculate the pH of the following solutions. So in this case, you can calculate pOH. So the pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So in that case, you're going to find pH of this, and so pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus pOH, and so pH is equal to 14 minus negative log of OH minus concentration. So plug it all in, and that should work out. Let's see. 14 minus negative log of 9.8 times 10 to the power of negative 11. And see what we come up with. This. Let's close the bracket. And that's correct. Similar story here. Just finding pH, OH minus concentration. You would use pH plus pOH equals 14. Therefore, pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. And so OH minus concentration is equal to 10 to the negative pOH, and it's equal to 10 to the negative pOH to the negative 14 minus pH. And that's how we roll. So 10 to the negative 14 minus pH, which is 1.32. Correct. Similar story here. In fact, this one is rather simple. pOH is equal to 10 to the negative, is equal to negative log of OH minus concentration. So here we have negative log of 6.5 to the power of 10 to the negative 2. Close that up. And in this case, you use, it's a problem 22, pH plus pOH equals 14. So therefore, pOH equals 14 minus pH. Minus 13. Alright, so that concludes the topic of pH.